It has been over a year since we started this incredible journey to set up an SMT manufacturing facility here in Nairobi, Kenya. With your help, the entire Europlacer team, from sending us the equipment right in the middle of the pandemic, at the beginning of the pandemic, to where we stand now, we are here to say thank you. When I unpacked the speed print machine that you see behind me, I was pleasantly surprised to see a box of Harrods tea from the speed print team. And I said to myself, we will not take this tea until we produce our first board. That moment arrived last night. We produced our first board with great quality, and we're looking to service customers with your help. I would like to say a very special thank you to the team that helped us set up the line. Again, we did this all remotely via Zoom calls, video calls, but your team has been amazing. There's really no word I can say other than that. So to Philip Payne from Speed Print, Philippe Fauconnier, who helped us out with the BTU, and an extra special thank you to David Fenton, who has been an amazing mentor, amazing team member in training not only me, but the team that you see here with me today. So to the entire Europlacer team, we would like to say thank you and cheers.